Time changes everything. Sometimes it feels still, but look just one generation ahead and you realize that nothing ever truly stays the same. I learned this the day you arrived. Every one of your days is a quiet miracle of change. So I wish you a future that is bright, gentle with you and with those around you. I wish you the courage to change, the grace to adapt, the gift of perspective, and the strength to stay in love with the world, even as it changes. Yours is the earth and everything that's in it, my love. And whatever life brings, I'll always be by your side. Enjoy the journey and don't take time for granted. Don't wait for tomorrow to become who you want to be today. And if your change begins with a home, with a place to grow, TriesteVillas can help you find it now, because the future begins here.